got to do the Woodwork challenge, and if you lose, you get red assed. So unlucky for them. We'll show you the post now. Instead of having like proper nets, we're going to just use this wall. That's going to be the crossbar. They're the posts. Well, post. And there's the other post. Let's do this. So Jack's up first. Come on, Jack. Wait, that didn't hit. No, that didn't hit. Wait, it hit.
It hit here.
Wait, does that count?
Yeah, I see. Because it hit, I heard it hit there. Because it normally makes that noise.
We are going to give it? Yeah, we're going to give it.
Yes!
Yeah, we'll give it, we'll give it. I don't think that should have counted, so I'm going to make it for this. Go to that post there. Oh. Make it 2-0. Okay. Wait, yes! You're never getting that. No, I have Neymar on my back and he's gone to PSG. That's unlucky.
No!
Wait. Sorry about the fuzzy bit because it's raining a little, so.
Yep.
Wait, how do you feel, Jack?
Bad.
Yeah, you should.
Yeah! Oh my god! No.
That missed. That missed.
That missed.
That hit the fence. It's so blurry.
I know.
Oh my god. 1 sec. Still blurry.
We're trying to make it 2-1.
So I'm gonna go for the right post there, what you went for this time.
Okay. Yes!
That missed!
That hit!
No, that hit the fence! That hit the fence!
That hit!
That hit the fence there.
That hit!
That hit the fence. No, that hit the
It
fence.
was half.
No, that hit that there. No,
Half.
that hit the fence. I'm gonna give it.
Okay.
We will give it then. Just,
Yes!
just give it then. We'll
High
just
five.
give it. No, kill yourself. High five the camera. Kill yourself. Yeah, I'm you, Jack. 2-1.
2-1, yeah.
You.
You need. I'm giving
Damn you. You only have crossbar, don't you?
Yeah.
Damn you.
It's gonna be our crossbar.
No, it's not. I've been well close to getting that little thing right there. Why is it so blurry? Right. But if he does hit it though, I have one more chance because he went first. So 2-2.
No, you went first.
You went first.
Oh yeah.
Wait, did he?
Yeah, you went first.
Who cares? Who cares? Who cares?
No.
Did that miss? Yes!
No.
I have a chance. I have a chance. I have a chance. Hit crossbar. Yes, hit it over.
Oh.
How do you feel? How did you just hit it over?
Then I should go knock on.
Yeah, let's go. Notice Jack didn't actually record the one when I hit post, so we're gonna take one off Jack. So we both won 1.
No.
Yeah, you. So yeah, so you're getting 1 took off you. Yeah, we both have the left post. We both need to get the crossbar on the right post. That's fair. It's my turn because you just went.
Got right.
Yeah, it's my turn because you just went. I beat that, bro. Dark now, so we can't really see. Go. Oh my god! Oh, so wait. If I hit the crossbar, I win. I'm gonna hit the crossbar though. You're not winning, you idiot.
God.
No, sorry about the footage. It's just getting a bit dark. Wait, why is it so blue though? For me on the camera. Look, doesn't that look blue there?
Yeah.
I don't get it. Well, it's quite dark and it's raining, so sorry about the footage if you can't actually see us hit the post or crossbar. So, right, it's Jack's turn. Don't hit the crossbar, even though I have another chance. So. Way, yes! You're not winning. No, you're not. No, you're not.
Yeah.
In that though, that went in.
Yeah, he went in the net.
Yo, no, it didn't go in the net. That hit the crossbar.
Are you taking it? Yeah.
I don't know. I gave you 2 posts, even though I took 1 off you. Right, so we'll do. I have another chance now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you hit it,
That
you
don't
win.
count.
Yeah.
I have another
if you
chance
hit
then.
it, you hit it.
Yeah,
You
so,
have it.
yeah.
That.
Didn't hit, Jack. Your turn. Let's go. That missed. That went the exact same. What just happened then? Just on the on the left, not on the right. There. So I'm having that, bro. You're not winning today. Hey, red ass, bro. You're the one. Don't touch my iPad. Are you touching it? Missed. You're not winning. You're getting red ass.
Oh my god!
You're terrible right now because you can't even see a thing. I'll try to swim in a little. That missed. That missed. That missed. We changed the angle so you can see it a little more better. This turned out as a crossbar challenge. Let's go. No! That missed.
No!
That missed. Yeah, that missed. That missed. That didn't hit. That didn't hit. You're never gonna hit it. We should probably do this again in the light or a different football challenge. Oh, that was a big crossbar though. Tell and say go. Oh my god, this is taking forever.
Is
It's
it?
actually taking forever.
No!
That missed.
No!
That went like there, the bottom of the crossbar there.
It went there.
Ball, actually hit it for me, please.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, that's not the crossbar. That's where mine went for.
Oh my.
I actually give up.
Did you?
You missed. You missed. Oh no! I'm done with this. I'm actually done. Oh, that fence there, from over there. No, actually, from.
Shut out cereal box made of
no,
rubber bands,
from
mate.
there.
Bands, mate.
No, back.
Very good.
Further back.
Very good.
Back.
Pull
Back
up.
from there.
Man's just started.
I'll let
Contact
you
to me about who's departed.
win. Like if you win, but
Pass it.
like.
This beat
No,
is sick.
red
Pull it
ass.
up, restart
No,
it.
red ass.
Pass
There's
it.
not time
What
for
about
that.
a
Do
sexy
that.
gazer?
And when
That's me.
go.
Man
Go,
can't see
go.
me. Man can't chat to me about easy peasy. That's wheezy. Oh
let you
yeah,
have two
J and B,
tries.
no jokes. I'm J to the O to the
Oh,
E.
you know he's gonna
When I'm on
win.
the mic all day
But
and
he's
night.
gonna
I
hit
don't
it.
want fuss. I'm not that
Hit
type.
that,
Look
didn't-
at
oh
your
my
sky.
God.
It's bloody raucous. That crazy haircut. Looks like a tortoise. My name's Joella, not Cinderella. I'm not that bait, I'm not that fella. Weller on the mic and I'm here to stay. Never gonna stop, gonna make that change. Still up in the ends, I'm living on the bends. You're not my friend, so don't.
Oh. So no one actually won because it's getting quite dark now. Can't really see because I don't know why it's so light. Sorry about that then. Dark now, so we could probably end it here. No one actually won. So you're lucky, Jack, because if I won,
Yeah.
your ass would actually be red.
In this bottle as well.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't know. Oh, damn, it's well wet.
And my feet are soft.
Well,
Yours?
yeah. Well, sorry about the bad footage.
No, kick the ball now. It feels so cold. Kick it.
Feels the same. Well, sorry about the bad footage because it's getting quite dark and it's raining. I think it's a big game. Well, anyway, thanks for watching, subscribing, all that malarkey. I think he's gonna try to aim for me. Where is it? I can't even find him in this. Yeah, I did actually. Sad, actually. Damn me. Well, anyway, can't even record it now. Maybe tomorrow, unless I upload this tonight. But you might see it tomorrow for you guys. No, no, mate, no. No, I'm not red. I said we're not having red ass, because like that's not like a real distance of a crossbar. So still good. So see you in a bit, guys.